I'm out here with my son and we're heading into the garden. And I'm going to show you how to help get your garlic to be as big as possible. So these are the flowers that the garlic makes, and if you don't take them off, the energy goes into the flower and not into the bulb, which is what we want on the bottom. Now, something interesting though too, this is edible, so you can snip these, you can fry them up, or saute them, and you can eat them. So you can collect them and eat them, and we did that on another meal. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down to the base right here, and we're going to just snip them off here, and then if you want to eat them, usually you just trim them up here and then throw them in the cooking pot. So go ahead, Tom, show us. Let's do some snipping and just toss them over there. We'll collect them after. It's quite satisfying. So you want to remove these, and right towards the end of July is harvest time for garlic. And this is just one of our garlic beds that we have. This one was smaller garlic plants that we put out. I got some bees, keep snipping. I got some bees working some old comb with some honey that I want to clear out. So I'll pick that up later. And my son's hard at work getting our garlic ready. So that's how you get your garlic bulbs to be bigger. You snip off these flowers, and it's as simple as that. And planting, you do that actually end of October or mid-October, or beginning of October, just when the ground's cold is actually when you plant your garlic bulbs individually. And we'll do that this year too. All right, simple as that. Our garlic bulbs are on their way.